Hi folks, my name is Gaurav Mittal and I'm a bird photographer based out of New Delhi, India. A common mistake that many photographers make is that they apply too much color enhancements, sharpening, and noise reduction to an entire image, which can lead to many unwanted artifacts and reduce the overall quality of the image. Instead, I like to create selections around the bird and isolate it from the rest of the image. I then work with adjustment layers to selectively make the corrections on separate layers. Let's take a look at this particular image in Photoshop. You can see in the layers panel on the bottom right side that I have already worked on this image using the adjustment layers and have applied the changes I wanted selectively on the bird as well as the background. Let's take a look at how the selection we made for the bird affects each of the adjustment layers that I have worked with. I am going to turn off all the layers by holding the Options key and clicking on the background image. I will then activate them one by one so you can see the changes that have been applied to each layer selectively. As you can see, when I turn the levels adjustment layer on and off, the brightness level has only been applied to the bird and the perch and not to the background. Similarly, for the next adjustment layer, this time I have inversed the selection for the changes to affect the background and not the bird. With the levels adjustment layer active, I have lowered the brightness level down just a tad bit so the bird stands out against a slightly darker background. For the remaining adjustment layers, with the selections for the bird active, I have worked on adjusting the contrast, colors, and some tonal adjustments, just enough so that the bird pops out and looks natural and true to color. Finally, here is a resized JPEG image with noise reduction and sharpening applied selectively. This is the final image ready for the web. So this is it, folks. Thank you for watching the video. Do look out for my upcoming in-depth video tutorials on creating selections in Photoshop, working with adjustment layers, smart filters, selective noise reduction, and sharpening.